a cap shot? Brian?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Okay.
Walk them out and do it.
Just the first position. Yep. No, that's perfect. It's the half cock. And you can put it on the zipper right there. Yep. And then you can rotate the cylinder. Yeah. Alright, you're good to go. So now when you pull the hammer all the way back, you're ready to go. It's just got like a cap gun going off. Yep.
That's it?
Yep, that's it. Yeah, not as fun. So this is where the acting comes in. You know, you gotta sell it, it's going off. I'm gonna lie, I think this is a 38 caliber.